The weather has been perfect almost so far in the beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. When all of a sudden it just started raining. All of a sudden it just started raining. Look at these people running from the beach. Wow. Wow. This came out of nowhere. I can't believe it. Oh my God, look at those people coming up the stairs. Oh. Well, somebody's still out there under their palapa. Let me see if I can get it closer under their little tiki hut. Well, they don't mind the rain at all. Hopefully, it will leave just as quickly as it started. I wonder what that little coconut is doing now. The little coconut tells you what the weather is. Babe, can you go look at the coconut for me and see if it's blowing or wet, or it's probably doing all of that blowing and wet.